Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to Everyday Strength. This class is going to get into twisting strength or side body strength, and this is a really important of integrating the core with all the movements that we do in our yoga practice and also in our life. So let's get started. Close your eyes, hands in prayer. A deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Good, we'll get started in a comfortable seated position, and let's just work a little bit of twisting movement. So I want you to inhale and lift the center of the chest. Exhale, we'll twist over to the right. And take your left hand and we'll hold on to the right knee and then hold for 5 breaths. So we have 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2, find the strength of the twisting motion, not only the flexibility, so draw the navel in towards the center. 4, and 5. Good. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, let's twist over to the left. Then take your right hand, hold on to the left knee, and find again the strength that will articulate the movement. For 1, 2, keep the navel in. Keep feeling like the lower abdominal muscles are folding in on each other. 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center. Now we're going to do it again, but we're going to extend that opposite arm. So inhale, we lift. Exhale, find your twist. Left hand to the right knee. Then reach the right arm. Open. Good job. And hold for 1, 2, 3. Keep the navel in. 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, let's twist over to the other side. Right hand to the left knee. Then we inhale, lift the left arm and spiral open. And we're kind of pushing in opposite directions. So reach back with the left and forward and down with the right and hold for 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, and back to the center. There should be a light burning sensation in the side body. Let's come over onto the hands and knees. Now you might be familiar with a posture called thread the needle. So I'd like to first start off with the flexibility. So we'll inhale, lift the left arm up. Exhale, let's thread the needle under. Extend your right arm overhead. Let's hold for 5 breaths. And we have 1, navel is in, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, bring your right hand back and we're going to keep the right hand stable. Then we're going to do this as a drill. So inhale, spiral open. Exhale, all the way under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, twist it under. 3 more times. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, under. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, under. Last one. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, we reach it under. Good. Back to the center. Gaze down just for a moment. Get your balance nice and established. Now we switch the sides. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Reach, 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 reach. And exhale, thread the needle under. Extend the left arm. Work the flexibility first. For 1, 2, 3. That's good. Deep breaths. 4, 5. Let's take the left hand down and now we'll do it as a drill. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, thread the needle under. Inhale, spiral it open. Exhale, under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, under. 2 more times. Inhale, spiral it open. Exhale, under. Last one. Reach and spiral it under. Good job. Back to the center. Stabilize for a moment. Good, nice deep breaths. Curl your toes under. Inhale up to downward facing dog. Take a moment and find your downward dog and we'll stay for 5 breaths. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, press a little more weight into the left hand, then take your right hand and reach back and just tap, if as close as you can to your left ankle as possible, then bring it forward, push all your weight into your right hand, tap the right ankle with the left. Good, and we'll do that 2 more times on each side. Reach and tap. and switch. Reach left hand to the right ankle, tap, and switch. Last set, reach and tap. Good, press, reach and tap. Nice, back to your downward dog. Switch the gaze forward, let's cross the feet. Exhale, sit down. Nice. Now, extending the legs a little bit forward, I want you to point your feet, extend the arms, and we'll hold for 1, 2, 3. Good, firm up the midsection a little bit, 4, and 5. Now lift the arms up, exhale, touch. Over to the side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, touch down, over to the side. Inhale, lift, exhale, touch. Inhale, lift, exhale, touch. 2 more times. Lift, exhale, touch. Inhale, lift, exhale, touch. Last one. Inhale, lift, exhale, touch. Inhale, lift, exhale, touch. And back to the center, raise the arms, place the feet on the ground, hips width apart, hands back behind you, reverse tabletop. Let's lift the hips up and forward for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Now extend the legs if that feels comfortable for you, or you can repeat with the hands forward and the feet down for 3, 4, 5. And then inhale, hands to the right. Good. Center. Inhale, hands to the left. Center. Reach over to the right. Let's add in up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. 2 more times. Reach over to the right. Reach over to the left. Reach over to the right. Reach over to the left. Back to the center. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross your feet. Take the hands down. Let's step on back right to downward dog. Good. Find your downward dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Let's switch the gaze forward. Inhale, find your plank. Find your plank for a moment. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Almost there. Let's twist your plank over to the side. Keep both hands down to maximize the twists. Good. 3, 4, 5. Switch it over to the side and twist to the other side for 2, 3, 4. And inhale, back to the center, back to your downward dog. Nice. Now let's do twisted dog. Bend your right knee and then twist your hips over to the right side. Hold for 2, 3, 4, and back to the center. And now we switch. Bend the left knee, drop the hips over to the left side for 1, 2, 3, keep breathing, 4, and 5, and back to the center. Nice. Take the plank forward, exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, big breath out. Let's cross the feet. Exhale, come on back down to seated. Pause for a moment. We're just gonna do a little side stretch to conclude. Take your right hand over and just reach. So we release the muscles that we worked. Good, deep breath in. And inhale back to the center and reach over to the other side. Nice, let the side body release. 1 more breath. Good, and back to the center. Let's close the eyes. Feel the midsection, feel your torso, feel everything come into the center. Hands in prayer, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thanks so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.